Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amin and today I'm making a new video on how to use Matplotlib for creating professional plots. Last time we did a log plot and I introduced you a new command to modify your ticks. Well, I thought it's a very good time to also tell you about the grids because it's also more useful when you are using a log plots. So let me start. Well, first of all, let me make the plot a bit, the range of the y ticks a bit bigger, so I have all the major and minor ones, and also I want to just remove these uh, red major ticks, which I don't think they are necessary here. I just wanted to show you what you can do. So I go back to the simple basic case for a plot that I have. Okay, so let's start the grid. You again start with plt, but this time plt.grid. So here you have it, the basic things, which is the major ones, only the major lines that are the major grids that are displayed here. And if you want just to remove it, you can add false or you just can remove the whole command line. So either it is true or it is false. So I just keep it true. And here you have the options. So million things I can do right now. So I go step by step. Imagine I want to have different things for the x and y axis and also uh, for the minor and major one. So very similar to the tick parameters, I can do this. Axis equals to x. I can do it for both. If you don't type this, you had everything for both lines. And I also add, let's say, which major. Okay. And then, so if you do this, you will see that I only have the grid for the x-axis. Okay, so I want to add all the options that I have here. And okay, I I technically can do everything that I had for the plot line. So like the line style, which I keep it as the I put it hyphen to have a solid line, and I can have the line width, so I keep it very thin. Let's say 1, and I also can have the color, which I make it blue. Let's see what happened. Okay, so here it is. It's a bit thick. I don't like the line. Well, it's good compared to my line. It's the thickness is good. So I made the major lines of my grid just for the x-axis in blue with a line style, which is a solid line, and the width that I've given to it. So let me keep the good work here, and again on the x-axis, but this time on the minor ticks, I want to apply the grid. So this time what I'm going to do, first I'm going to change the line style uh, to a dash line, and I want to make it a bit thinner, but still I want to keep the color in blue. So I want it to have the same color as the major one, okay? Let's see. Yeah, very nice actually. So you see, you have a stronger focus stress on the major lines, but your minor ones are a bit thinner, so you can distinguish between them very well. So look at it, I have defined two PLT grid for the major and minor lines for the x-axis. I want to do the same for the y, so PLT grid true axis, this time for the y, and which again for the major, and the line style I still keep it hyphen, so I want a solid line, and the width's the same as 1, but I like to change the color to red. Okay, And for the minor ones, minor, and the line style, I make it a dash line, similar to what I did for the minor of the x-axis, and less thick, and the color I make it red. So I'm just okay. Very nice. So you see it here. It's the red lines are for the y-axis, and again the major one is in uh, the major one is thicker, and it's a solid line, but the other ones are dash. Very good. I also can add something. I can also add the transparency, like I make it half transparent, and also this one. If you want to just uh, have the a bit difference between the X grid and Y grid, so maybe this one actually looks better. So this is very important for log-log plots because usually we want to count the ticks, and also it gives us a better like a ruler to estimate the value of our function at a given uh, x or Reynolds number or whatever is your variable. So it's actually a very useful thing. So instead of just having you see there is a big difference between this simple, wait, if I just had it like this, well, it's really very basic and amateur. But when you have the whole things on, like what we did here, it's really more professional. So this is really better. Okay. So you see it's really uh, nice to look at and more professional and easier to use the plot. So don't forget to turn on the grid, particularly when you have a log. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. Uh, See you to the next video.